Welcome to this short tutorial on the Complete Business Reference Advisor. You can obtain the Complete Business Reference Advisor if you live in the Blackpool area from Blackpool Council's website and Blackpool Library. It's free of charge to all local residents. The most important thing that you can do when you're starting a business is research your idea. Not only is it absolutely imperative for yourself, but you will need information for completing a business plan that will be required should you require finance. In this short tutorial, I will take you through the different types of information that's available. So we're going to start with the Business Opportunity Profile. So we'll click on this, and you will see there is a load of different topics. Now you can find a specific one via A to Z, or a category, or the easy way is to go into the search bar here. So if we just take one at random, the top one on my list, dog groomer, and we click on go, you will find a series, there are 38, to do with dog grooming or pets or kennel club or so forth. But we're specifically interested in pet grooming service, so let's click on that. What you will find here is a professionally written business plan that gives you lots of very useful, in some cases vital information on the particular business that you've chosen. It gives you an introduction, what skills you need, trends, legal issues, legislation, and so forth. So if we look first of all at introduction, it tells you what kind of thing pet grooming is, and I accept it. If you're on with this business, you probably know that already. It tells you what skills you need. In this particular case, there are no legally required skills, but obviously you would want to be qualified and bespoke in this particular skill. So it tells you what kind of courses you need. It tells you what additional courses you might need, from pet first aid to information on microchipping. It also provides information on where you can get information on different topics, such as what expenses can you claim? How do you do self-assessment? Is it subject to VAT? Yeah. What are the rules if I become an employer? And you'll see there is a link, government website. You might want to know about recruitment. You can have a look there. Social marketing training, consumer rights. What are the rules and regulations if you're keeping information on people? GDPR, which is the General Data Protection Regulation. You might want to take an apprentice on. Lots of information on apprenticeships there. You should keep up to date with information on pet grooming, trends, online, social media type information, magazines perhaps. Gives you a whole plethora of places you can go to get magazines, local information. If we go a bit further down, it talks to you about what trends there are, what issues there are. The good news is there's 9 million dogs as of 2018 in the United Kingdom. And it tells you how many households have got more than one dog. It also talks about cats. A lot of pet groomers do cats as well. There's information on legislation, what trade bodies you might need to be in, what codes of conduct. Are there any quality assurance schemes or certifications that you can get? The more you can show that you're a reputable company, the better that is as far as your PR is concerned and the way people will see you. Premises are very, very important if you're starting a business. And to some people, it's a minefield. You know, what are the rules? Where would I find information on premises? What are the rules on rates? What's small business rate relief? What's the information if I'm running a business from home? Do I need to tell my local authority? Do I need to pay business rates on my home? What about the landlord? I may have a signed legal tenancy agreement that precludes me from actually running a business from home. How do I go about doing that? You may find that you've got a mortgage. Well, your mortgage provider will need to be told that you intend to work from home, that you're going to adapt some part of your house maybe. Pet grooming these days is very popular from a mobile point of view. Lots of vans out there now that are being bespoke or indeed come ready-made. Gives you an idea what prices they are, where you can get them kitted out. You're certainly going to need tools and equipment. The reference advisor gives you a guideline to what price these items cost. Tells you what kind of budget you're going to need. Very important if you're starting a business, and particularly if you need to borrow money. What's it going to cost you? What are the startup costs? What kind of charges can I make for my services? All this information is contained within this reference advisor document. If we look at sector guides, you can find information that's pretty up to date. It's February 2019 on pets and pet care. Tells you about the increase in spend, what licensing requirements there are, some information that you might not think is applicable to you, but it gives you a more general approach to the subject that you've chosen as your business. Under the local area profiles, you can find Blackpool, if you're in the Blackpool area, and you'll find information that's useful for wider information and support available. If we take our own website, Blackpool Unlimited, you can click on the blackpoolunlimited.com link, and it will take you to our website where you'll find a toolkit and lots of information to assist you to start your business. It gives you Boost, it gives you Growth for Lancashire, access to finance, UCLAN, Innovations Clinic, lots of information that you can find that will enable you to start your business. Now, all this information is free of charge. All you need to do is go to blackpool.gov.uk, type in the word COBRA, it will take you to our library, and if you're already a member, you can access information free of charge. If you're not a member, just join the library and you can gain this information. Now, I hope this has been useful. I cannot stress enough that the more information you can put into a business plan, the more chance that your business will be a success. You'll require a business plan if you're looking for finance, but it's not just about finance. It's about making sure that you have a fully prepared, well thought through plan to be a success in business. For more information, please go to www.blackpoolunlimited.com, where you will find more information about the services we provide at Get Started. There's a contact sheet where you can leave your details and request a follow-up appointment. And we endeavour to come back to you as quickly as possible with one-to-one business support. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your business.